Good early morning to you guys from the port of Bermuda. Today is a little bit overcast, so it's not such a perfect beachy weather, but I'm still gonna go to the beach. I'm still gonna show you one of the most famous beaches, which is the Horseshoe Bay. And right along the coast you can actually see some other beaches which are pretty cool. So I will show you that. Hopefully the weather will change so you can actually see the colors and sandy, pinky beaches. If not, I'm gonna basically mix the footage that I have from some years ago and you will see the amazing colors of this place. Come and join me to this beautiful place of Bermuda today. See ya! The best deal so far would be $19 per person. It's a all-day pass on a bus and a ferry, and this will take you basically everywhere. The transportation is pretty good. The ferries are all the time there, going from here, which is a dockyard, to Hamilton, which is a downtown, I guess, like a center of the city. So this is the best deal so far. And a swing, my wife will definitely go on it. Do you like it?
Sure.
So we're very close to Horseshoe right now, and guess what? The sun is out. So it's gonna be really nice. I feel like the weather is gonna change a little bit, so it won't be so windy and cold. You always gotta try, you always gotta go for it and see, if the conditions of your life and everything else will change. Look at this weather, it's absolutely amazing. And the funny thing about it is that when you give up, as a lot of passengers did, that's what you get. This is the Horseshoe Bay. This is like the famous beach of Bermuda. And
it's always super crowded.
And it's always super crowded. And look how empty this is. This is like our personal Horseshoe Bay. Like, it's ridiculous. I mean, that's pretty awesome. Look at this Horseshoe Bay. It's like empty. There's nobody there. Yes. We are used to come this place because the Horseshoe was so busy that this was basically the only place that was like free. Right farther and down this way there's more beaches and they're also amazing, but this is kind of our favorite spot. The spot with a little hole in the rock. Moving back from the rock hole beach, don't take the name for the reference because it's just mine, or ours I should say. And right along the coast you see the path behind me, it's also in front of me. There's a path and you can actually take this path from Horseshoe Bay and go along, and find like 4 or 5 beaches. It's just perfect because, normally you would take taxi, or when the tides are high, it's hard to get through the water. So this is smart. There's basically a path that leads you through all the beaches. Good times. Weather is awesome.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah.
When you are here in a season, this little beach is packed. There's like 100 people swimming into this little, you know, bay, whatever it is. So that's the heart beach, and I'll show you why in a second. And there it is. Doesn't it look like a heart? Yeah, it's not perfect heart, but it's a heart. Come on. And this is a Warwick Bay. How awesome is that? Look at this. There's nobody here. It's like, I'm sorry I'm so excited for this every single time, but you should be here in a season. There's so many people. It's not even funny. This place is gorgeous. So what makes the pink beach? Well, combination of crushed crab shells and different kind of shells. And that's the result. So that's how the pink sand beach looks up close. You see lots of crushed shells and stuff. This is why. It's just so beautiful that you just don't want to leave the place. Oh, thanks Bermuda. Let's go and see the city. Thank you, boss. So obviously this is island life and it's very expensive. We just been in the store and like hemp seeds that you can get in Costco, like 3 or 4 times bigger package than this. In Costco you get for $10. Here was $16 for like 4 times smaller than this.
But there was, after we turned the camera off, I saw that there was a giant bag of hemp seeds about the size that I get for $10 in Costco. It was $61. I truly hope
ridiculous.
that people get paid more here, because
They have to.
how can you live an organic lifestyle?
It's
That sucks.
England. It should be better. But hey, I mean, this is outrageous.
And now we're gonna go to, hopefully it's still open. It was a really good smoothie little place that we went to before, and we shall see if it's still around.
That's my wife. What is in it? Mango, passion, no, mango, guava and banana. So that's the cutest place here. It's very cute. It's like the coffee shop and we always go to. It's very, very stylish and nice. And yeah. This kind of pouring, I call the pouring from the heart, and it's a Polish term. I mean, there's no way to live this. There's no way to like.
That's why you just lean down and you sip it. Oh God, my computer's falling.
You were saying?
I was saying, oh shit. Wait, we need a napkin. I would like to get on now and don't have to wait in a line.
It's exactly what I think. So obviously it's off season, but this is a snorkel bar, a snorkel beach, whatever you want to call it. It's just right outside of the ship, of the shipyard. It's definitely a loud place. It's definitely a lot of people here. You can rent some kayaks, I think, jet skis, eat some good food. And if you just basically don't have time as a crew member and you want to get out for 1 hour, I guess this is the very nice place to go to.
Hey there, lonely girl, my lonely girl. Don't you know this lonely boy loves you? Hey, baby. This little rat over there, she got to do it before I got it. I think it comes natural.